Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to reveal to you guys my own strategy and my own process to make money on CPA Build or CPA Grip or any other CPA marketing platform that allowing you to do incentive promotion. So we are going to use an incentive strategy to make real money on this network. So if you are interested, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to reveal to you my own website. I will share with you how you can do the same. So just copy and paste my website, my process, and then you will start making money, because this is one of the best strategies and one of the guaranteed strategies that will make you a lot of money if you stick with it. So make sure to watch this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and if you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any comment, any question, leave them in a comment below. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to use CPA Grip as an example, but as I said, it works for CPA Build, CPA Grip, and all of these CPA platforms that you can do content logging on them. So all what I'm doing is I'm targeting United States, because we need to know what is the niche or what is the country that we have to work with. So that's why all the time I'm going with the United States, because the volume right there is really high and offers right there paying really well. As you can see, $2.60 per each email submit right there, which is good. So now we know the offer, we know the country. What is the niche? So right now I'm going to show you my own website and how it works. So I'm using Google Sites to create a landing page like this one. It's completely easy and completely free. All what you need to do is just to go to Google Sites and to create a landing page like this one. All what you need to do is just to drag and drop things like insert. You can insert layouts like this one with images and text, like this one with buttons. It's completely easy. You can add a text, you can add images. It's completely easy, and it will take you just a couple of minutes to set up a landing page like this one. So how the process works, what is my own niche? My niche is growing social media with followers, like social media marketing. Yeah, that's it. So as you can see, grow your social media with ads, it's free. So I'm actually offering my visitors, right, my website visitors, free growth on TikTok, follow on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, completely for free. But all what they need to do in return, or in case if they want to receive this 1000 TikTok followers, all what they need to do is to complete an offer. And here is the fix right here. So how does it work? Choose your favorite offer, complete one survey to get your code, send us the code, and get your followers. So how it works actually, from this instructions right here, you're gonna realize that I'm actually rewarding these people, these followers, for free just when they complete a survey. And the survey is the CPA offer basically. So all what you need to do is just to click on the perfect or the favorite offer for them. Then they need to complete a survey, because as you can see right here, this is my website. And if you click on this button right here, if you are interested to get this 1000 TikTok followers, or for example, let's say it's Instagram. So if you click on get offer on this button right here, you will get redirected to this content locker for CPA Grip. And as you can see right here, complete a survey below to prove you are a human and to get your code. So basically, visitors needs to complete one survey, one CPA offer to prove that they are humans, and at the same time to get a card, because to prove that they complete the offer, I need to know, or I need an information from them, which is the code. So they will get redirected once they complete one offer, one CPA offer right here. They will get redirected to this page right here that I've just created right here on Google Sites, and this is Instagram code. So if a visitor, because I'm going to contact people on Instagram or on Facebook or on TikTok, I'm going to ask them, or I'm going to offer for them a free 1000 followers on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, or wherever else. And then what they need to do is just to complete one survey. So I will for example, if you are if you are a project, if you are a customer, yeah, okay, I'm going to contact you on Instagram. I'm going to ask you, or I'm going to offer for you a 3,000 followers on TikTok. So if you are interested, I'm going to send you the link of my landing page, and I'm going to ask you to complete one survey right there, and I'm going to ask you as well to share with me this code. Once you complete the survey, I'm going to ask you to give me this code, because this code proves that you complete the survey. So this way I will give you, or I will send to you, or I'm going to deliver the 1,000 TikTok followers. And you are going to ask me where I can get this followers and how much I'm going to spend on these followers. So as you can see right here, this is one of the websites that you can use to get social media marketing services in the internet. This is Indian Smart Panel. So this is SMM panels basically. So as you can see, they have many different services right there with cheap prices. But as you can see, if you go with the TikTok, as you can see, I'm going to spend only 45 cents per each 1,000 follower on TikTok, as you can see right here. So I'm going to spend only 45 cents to get this, as you can see, to get this $2.60. So as you can see, let's say 60 or 59 cents are going to go to the cost of the followers, but I'm going to keep $2 as a net profit. And this is one of the smartest strategies, because you don't scam the visitor or something like that. And what you are doing actually is, it's a win-win situation. All right, it's a win-win business. All what you are doing is you are offering a service for those people, and they are actually interested. All the time people gonna say, yes, I want this 3,000 follower. What I have to do in case if I want to get it? And then you will send them the link and just say, hi, just complete the survey using your email name and answer for a couple of questions, and then you will get redirected to a page where you are going to get your code. And as you can see right here, here is the code. He will copy it and he will send it to you on Facebook or on the platform you contact him through. Then you will make sure that this person actually complete the offer, and you will send directly the followers from this website. And what you need to do is just to use this website with your PayPal to pay, and then you will insert the link of the account of the person. Then he will get his followers delivered right away. It's completely easy, and they will keep asking you to add more followers to their accounts, because it's good for them. A survey that takes them just a couple of minutes, something like 5 minutes, and he will get 1,000 free Instagram followers or TikTok followers. It's good for them. It's a good business for them, and they will contact you back asking you for more followers to complete more CPA offers. And as you can see right here, I'm just asking to complete one offer, but if you want to increase that and say so complete a survey, then say complete 3 surveys or 5 surveys, then you are going to make more money. But I wanted to make it easier for them to complete it, because I'm really actually interested to make these people like long-term clients. They will ask you and they will get these followers from you 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, 10 times actually, and they will just keep completing the CPA offers because they like your service. So that's it for today's video, guys. That was just a quick video about the whole process and how it works, because I uploaded 2 videos I think about this strategy, but I didn't share with you guys a real example, just to make the process more clear for you guys. Now I share with you everything, the materials I'm using, just Google sites to build landing pages. It's completely free, and this is the whole process and how it works. If you need to add more, for example, let's say TikTok followers, you need to add the code. Just make sure to go to pages, and to add the page, click this just on this one to add the page. So here is the TikTok code page. Let me click on it. So as you can see, here is the TikTok code. Here is the Snapchat one as well. Let's click on it, and it's a different code as you can see right here. But all the time, make sure to make your pages right here not shown in navigation, because if you click on shown on navigation, you will see it on the home page on the navigation bar right here. But you need to click on these three points and go and click on hide from navigation, so this way you don't want to make it visible to the visitors. So yeah, so that's it. I hope you like my video. Please, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to reveal and I'm going to share with you guys more strategies on some upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe, and see you on the next video.